We're here today at the newly renovated Junior Achievement JA Finance Park facility here in downtown Detroit. We are here with students from Chandler Park Academy, and we are doing a program called JA Career Success.
What we're going to do today is we're going to investigate types of credits.
We received funds from the state of Michigan to make these renovations possible. This was a major construction project. We took out walls, we replaced flooring, also got some new furniture for our young people to utilize. On the second floor, we've actually made it more functional for us to have programming there.
It's my first time here, and honestly, I love this place. You get to learn about the basics of budgeting, saving, and pretty much credit in general.
I love the colors, I love how hands-on it is, and I feel like it's a good foundation for what you want to set up for what you need in life later. I may have heard certain terms, but I didn't know the complete definition and how it helps until really I got here.
We have been in this building for over 15 years, but before these renovations, we have never made any significant changes to the space. We really wanted to have a space to give young people a destination to learn about financial literacy, careers, and entrepreneurship. We really appreciate the state of Michigan for providing us an opportunity to transform our space here in downtown Detroit to prepare young people for the future. As we recognize 75 years of junior achievement here in Southeastern Michigan, this has been transformative.